Climate. Time to warm up. Do you know the difference between weather and climate? Which climate you like the most? Have you ever watched weather forecast in television? Time to know. There are constant changes in the atmosphere that surrounds the earth. The changes in a particular area make up the weather of a place. What is weather? The weather is just the state of the atmosphere at any time, including things such as temperature, precipitation, air pressure, and cloud cover. Daily changes in the weather are due to winds and storms. Seasonal changes are due to the earth revolving around the sun. Weather affects us in many ways. For example, we choose our clothes according to the weather. Weather also affects our daily activities. What is climate? Climate is the average weather usually taken over a 30-year time period for a particular region and time period. Climate is not the same as weather, but rather it is the average pattern of weather for a particular region. Weather describes the short-term state of the atmosphere. The climate in the Himalayan ranges is cold. It is very cold during the most months of the year. The climate in and around Chennai is warm and humid, whereas it is hot and dry in the Thar Desert. Different places in the world would have different types of climate: sunny, cloudy, stormy, snowy, rainy, windy. Factors influencing climate. There are lots of factors that influence our climate. Latitudes and sunlight. We know that the earth receives all its heat from the sun. In the picture given alongside, you will notice that the equator being nearer to the sun than the poles for most part of the year receives more sunlight. The direct heat makes the area between the equator and the Tropic of Cancer in the northern hemisphere and Tropic of Capricorn in the southern hemisphere the hottest regions in the world. Altitudes or height above the sea level. Locations at a higher altitude have colder temperatures. Temperature usually decreases by 1 degree centigrade for every 100 meters in altitude. Distance from the sea. Oceans heat up and cool down much more slowly than land. This means that coastal locations tend to be cooler in summer and warmer in winter than places inland at the same latitude and altitude. Chennai, Kolkata, Visakhapatnam, and Mumbai are coastal cities in our country. They have very moderate climate. On the other hand, cities like Delhi, Patna, Jaipur, and Hyderabad are away from the sea. These places experience an extreme type of climate. In these places, summer is very hot and winter is very cold. Ocean currents. Britain has a maritime climate. A warm ocean current called the North Atlantic Drift keeps Britain warmer and wetter than places in continental Europe. Prevailing wind. The prevailing wind is the most frequent wind direction a location experiences. In Britain, the prevailing wind is from the southwest, which brings warm, most air from the Atlantic Ocean. This contributes to the frequent rainfall. When prevailing winds blow over land areas, it can contribute to creating desert climates. Global distribution of climates. Climates are influenced by many factors such as proximity to the equator or the poles and proximity to the sea, as well as things like ocean currents, atmospheric pressures, belts and prevailing winds. A place's climate influences the types of vegetation and animals that live there. It is possible to divide the world into a number of climatic zones or biomes, each with their own characteristics climate, vegetation, and wildlife. Humidity. Humidity is the presence of moisture in the air. Thus, the degree of the humidity of a place is related to the distance from the sea. Windows blowing over the sea collect moisture and make the climate in the coastal areas very humid. Humidity makes you sweat a great deal.